If your SP still isn't showing up, this is exactly the video you were meant to find today. There's a powerful reason they're not here yet, but the fix is instant. And once you do it, they'll feel it. I've seen this shift change everything for my clients and for myself, to be honest. And today, I'll show you. Before we dive in, hit that like button to amplify your energy and tap subscribe if you're ready to stop chasing and start attracting. Because my next video dropping this Thursday is called They Can't Stop Thinking About You After This. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. So let's talk about it. Why isn't your specific person showing up? It's not because you're doing it wrong or because they don't care. It's because you're still sending out the energetic signal out to the universe of, I don't have them. Every time you check your phone, waiting for their name to appear, overanalyze their last message or lack of one, or spiral into, why isn't it happening yet? Or what's going on? You're tuning in from a frequency of lack. And the universe, which always reflects back your dominant state, just keeps giving you more of that lack. Good news is you can shift this starting right now. Let me tell you about one of my amazing clients named Maya. Her SP ghosted her for 7 months. 7 months. She came to me telling me that she had already tried affirmations, visualizations, and scripting, but nothing worked. Why? Because it was all coming from fear, not faith, from needing, not knowing. So we flipped the script. Instead of chasing love, Maya became love. She started showing up as the woman who's already deeply adored. Maya began to live as if love was already hers. Anytime she'd get an intrusive thought, such as her SP no longer being interested in her, or there being someone else, or that she's not good enough, she'd immediately flip the script to, I am love. I am love. It didn't come easily at first, but after just 3 days of flipping these intrusive thoughts to, I am love, okay? And intrusive thoughts, even intrusive thoughts completely unrelated to her SP. If she had some issue at work, if she was stressed out about anything else going on in her life, she would flip the script in her mind to, I am love. And within 3 days, it just became natural for her. Natural for her. Her mind would automatically flip the script for her. She wouldn't even have to think about it. She also affirmed 3 times every morning as soon as she got up. I am magnetic. I am magnetic. I am chosen. Of course he's thinking about me. Duh, obviously he's thinking about me. Along with affirming this 3 times before she went to bed. When Maya focused on herself, on truly loving herself, and investing her time in things that truly brought her joy and happiness, when she repeated her self-concept affirmations daily and embodied them, that's when she realized, that's when she knew that her SP wasn't the catch. She was the catch. That's when she received a text from him, from her SP. I'm sharing a screenshot, but he basically said that he couldn't stop thinking about her. After 7 months, he couldn't stop thinking about her. He just had to reach out and let her know. That's the power of embodiment. No begging, no chasing, just pure aligned energy. So let's break it down so you can try this for yourself. Here are the 3 steps. Step number 1, detach from the outcome. Affirm this. It's already mine. I don't chase, I attract. Detachment is faith. It's faith. It's trusting that your desires are already yours, and the universe responds to your dominant frequency. So if you're embodying that trust and that absolute certainty that your SP, that the love of your life is already yours, then the universe delivers. It's a fact. Step number 2, shift your identity. Instead of saying, how can I get them? Say, affirm, I am unforgettable. I'm irresistible. I am desired. I'm the one they can't stop thinking about. Say these affirmations with confidence. Step number 3, embody your higher self. Ask yourself, how would I act today knowing that I am love? I am true love. Knowing that I'm a magnet for true love. Love isn't just who I am, it's what I radiate. It's my superpower. Remember, the love you have for yourself makes you a magnet for anyone and anything it is that you desire. So, think like it is, speak like it is, walk like it is, and feel like it is. When you shift your inner being, your outer world shifts and catches up fast. Lock this in by commenting below. I am magnetic. I am chosen. I am love. I am true love. Let's anchor in your new story in the comments together. So, if your SP still hasn't shown up yet, it's not because they're out of reach. It's because you're still reaching outside instead of activating the power within. But today, that changes. Be sure to hit that like button to lock this in and subscribe and hit the notification bell because this Thursday's video is going to be next level. They can't stop thinking about you after this. And when I say it works fast, I do mean fast. Until then, remember, you're not waiting on love. Love is waiting for you to remember who you are. You are love. You are magnetic. You are chosen. You are irresistible. You are the prize. Thank you for joining me. See you on Thursday and namaste.